No, it's only gotten thinner.
So it's kind of like the toaster thing that I was telling you earlier.
So
Over life of the.
did you ever figure out why it chose that spot of the light bulb to sublime to?
It was the top part. It was, as it sublimed, it went up. Because it sublimated vaporized and it went and stuck to the glass.
Which was probably
What?
Yeah, much didn't have to find the coldest spot on the bulb. It just had to find a spot that was
The
cold
touch.
to deposit.
The touch, yeah.
And remember, that's coated, and that coating inside that bulb is probably not
As-
smooth.
Yeah, it's silica.
Yeah.
The white powder on the inside is silica.
It's not a smooth powder, I'm sure, so. it's
Yeah.
stick.
Yeah.
It's silica. That's the soft whites. So, yeah. So, now,
this is really nerdy.
what? This stuff?
I don't know, I just had that.
Oh,
Nerd moment there?
Yeah, that,
It is.
yeah.
Now this is taking.
This is very, very nerdy.
That's what makes it so, so good. I
But
take a
why-
week with this with the
you know,
kids.
the thing about it, let's pick on the ceramics people for a while. You know, ceramics are brittle, all kinds of things. These guys are thinking we could do a lot better job of making more durable light bulbs if we made these out of metal. Right? And that's one thing that I think is fascinating with the kids, because you say that we could make those a lot better out of metal. Well, what's the problem? It's hard for the light to sneak out. You know, so
It lasts a long time.
is this a material sacrifice? We're giving up brittleness to have the ability to be transparent. And that's what everything is around us. I mean, there's always a better supply of all kinds of things.
Yes.
But
Well, and
for
that's been improved.
So what is
For
it?
100 years, that's been
Yeah.
improved year
Yeah.
after year
So,
after year.
so you're
It's
saying
just-
what's nerdy is collecting the used bulbs and carrying them around with you?
No, I just had one of those
about the light bulb.
moments where it's like the fact that you just totally dissected this light bulb to this degree is just amazing.
If you can teach, I love teaching a lot of stuff with one thing.
It's because you think it's so simple. Now, what did I just do right here?
You see what he did to us? He made a
Dimple.
dimple.
Dimple. So tell me about atmospheric pressure. We have 14.7 pounds of pressure right here. How much do we have in the bulb?
See, now here's,
Absence of pressure. Okay.
okay, see, let's slow down a bit. Slow down, because the next thing we ask the kids then is, what is not inside that bulb is oxygen.
What is
What is inside there? Is it a vacuum or is there something else in there? Most of the kids will think it's a vacuum. And others say, no, there's something in there. So we say, how do you prove it? Well, if I heat the glass, which has, you know, the softening factor, and if it goes in, that means there's no gas. If it comes out, there is a gas. If you do it just right, you can get it to go in, even though there is a gas in there. We can get it to dimple. What you do is get the glass hot enough, quick enough, and the force of the torch pushes it in before the gas inside gets hot. So you can't be
I've got to show them
timid.
this bulb.
You can't be timid, because otherwise, if you're gentle with it, then the gases inside are getting hot and you will get the pimple. We dimple
Oh
and
my
pimple the thing.
Goodness, this is one of those weird bulbs, because if you look at this, see how there's low pressure right here and there's low pressure here, but there's high pressure right here in this bulb. Do you see that?
Gases aren't fluids.
No, they're not. They're not.
Got it.
Yeah.
So the kids get
it's
all
amazing what
over
you pick up
this.
from me, isn't it? Yeah.
Plug it in and
Yeah.
see how the glass behaves with people.
Oh,
Well, it's
it
not
works.
the window.
I've plugged these in. What I'll do is I'll take a new bulb and I'll make this, and eventually I'll pop the pimple downward a little bit, and then we plug them in. And then if you click the thing on and off, it's like smoke shooting out. The thing is smoking, blowing out smoke. It lasts longer because it's taking longer for the oxygen, because what's inside it is either nitrogen, argon, or a mixture
So
of
you
both
want to heat it longer to get that.
to come out.
Yeah,
Get the
because
pimple
what
out.
I'm doing is heating up the air on the
The
inside.
gas is on the
And
inside.
so-
I can see the kids getting confused. Okay, well, you just said if there is no oxygen, it's going to make a dimple.
And
It
no
did.
air, no gas at all.
No gas
Yes.
at all.
No gas.
Yeah.
But-
Vacuum, right?
But now,
If it were-
if I set this in the freezer and leave it there for a while, what's going to happen?
Now, after you've done it,
Yeah, it's going to get cold, and guess what I can do?
put another dimple in.
Put another dimple in. Okay,
It
now
just
I
like
have
it's a room
to tell a
temperature.
story on the leech family.